Welcome back to the channel. I'm having a great time looking through the requests and seeing what I can do in the order I can do them. So everyone that's left me a request, I'm trying so hard to see how I can do them and when. And funnily enough, one of the latest ones that came through coincided with me being near a Lush, and it was to do a little demo of the LUSH Massage Oil Bars. And full disclosure, I hadn't actually heard of them because LUSH is a shop that I haven't been into for many years. Not for any specific reason, it's just sometimes when I'm a bit sensitive to fragrance, you can smell LUSH before you see it. And if I'm not in the mood for that intense hit of fragrance, then it's not a shop that I would instinctively go in. But I was nearby. I was able to go in when it was opening. So it was early in the morning, it was just me. And I saw all the massage bars. I didn't get to smell them all, but I was instantly drawn to the Turmeric Latte, so that's the one that I went for. So we'll open that just now. And they also said for an extra £1, you could donate to charity and they'd give you a little charity coin. So this is also a little massage balm, well, a massage oil, I should say, in a bar form. So I thought we could open these together, and I've looked online at how you use them and it looks incredibly simple. So let's do a little demo right now. As you can see, they're unopened, so I'll be using them for the first time with you. If they're easy enough for me to use, then it means that it's something that you might consider buying for yourself. So the first thing here was this little coin. So you donated an extra £1 to charity, and they actually gave you this little charity pot coin. So I don't know what the scent is. I don't know if the scent corresponds. How cute is that? So it's a little paw, so that must obviously correspond with the charity. Just going to give the scent a little smell. So that smells much more floral. So that's definitely not the turmeric, but that's really cute. So that's a tiny little, for £1, £1 to charity, and it's technically free. That's a little baby, little massage bar, so that's so cute. I chose the Turmeric Latte bar. There were so many to choose from in the shop, but I knew that I didn't want anything too floral or too heavy. I thought I might go for one that was coconutty and there was some magnesium too, but I was drawn to this. And it was only when I came home and I checked the scent again that I realised that I'm drawn to it because it smells like the interior of a new car or a really fresh, newly valeted car. So that's a compliment to Lush because I love that smell. I'd love to know if anyone's got this and they agree, but that's what I got from it. And when I smell it again, I just think that just smells like a lovely, fresh interior of a car, and that's right up my street, which is really random because that's probably not something I've ever shared on the channel before, that I really like citrusy scents, really fresh woody scents, and now I can also add to that, I like when a car has got a lovely fresh interior or a brand new smell. I love that. So it looks as if it's very simple to use. I've looked online. Let's unwrap it and take a look. I can see that it's got organic fair trade cocoa butter, organic shea butter, and then it's got some of the fragrance. So again, with Lush, you very much know what you're getting. You're able to look at the ingredients, you're able to work them out for yourself. So I do like that. So let's give it a little open. And that's how it looks. It's got the name Lush on it. So you get a lot. This is £9, this one. I think they vary by about £1 or so each. So you get quite a lot for your money. Takes a bit of time, obviously, to break this down. So it's good value. And you can also buy a tin. I think it's for £3. And you can store it in that tin when you're not using it. So that's something you might think about if it's something that you are considering investing in. Obviously, you can use it on yourself. You can use it on someone else. But you would want to think about the hygiene element if you're buying it for yourself, but using it on others. So you might want to keep separate bars for when you're using it on the same person at different points in time. So let's try a little demo doing a simple hand and arm massage. So I'll take the massage bar, and what they say is that initially you just give it a warm in your hands, and that starts to encourage the oil with the heat. And I can feel it already. That didn't take long at all. It feels like a bar of soap, but obviously we've got this oil. I've never used anything like this before. It is really clever. Now let me smell. Very subtle. It's got a much more subtle smell on the skin than it does when it's in the bar. That's very nice. That I'm smelling the shea butter far more when it's on the skin. And I can understand why people might use it to massage themselves, but also for the benefit of what it would actually do for your skin. That smells beautiful. I'm really glad I picked this one now. I would say my hands do not smell like a new car. It's obviously just the scent when it's in the packaging. It's so much more delicate. That to me feels like the perfect amount to get started. Now what they say is that you can roll the bar up and down the arm, but I'm going to see right now if I need that. That actually feels like it's not enough, but it feels like it's a really good place to start. So I would say that if you don't want to run the bar on the area that you're going to be massaging, then you could definitely get away with just using it in your hands. But what they also suggest, and again, this is where you would think about your cross-contamination. If you were a therapist, you wouldn't be using this on client after client. You would do it differently. Deliberately chose Alan here because a lot of people will have hairs on their arms, and it's just something that you naturally have. I want to show to you that it's still perfectly easy to use these products, because I know a lot of people will say, oh, I don't want to use it because it'll be too messy. Well, look, it's not at all. So it's good to show you that you shouldn't be put off by something if you're not sure if it's for you. It will turn your arm round. So having now used the bar on the arm and melted it in my hands, I would say yes, it does benefit from using the warmth of that particular area today, it being the hand and the arm, just to encourage that oil to melt and to start your massage. But considering this was a request and I hadn't heard of these bars, thank you, because this is a lovely product to try out. I could see there was quite a few magnesium, and Lush have got quite a lot of videos on their channel demonstrating how to use these bars. But you can see for yourself how simple it is. And it's got the exact same effect as if I'd used an oil, a liquid oil, or a balm, or a massage cream. Lush, I am very impressed. I'd love to know how late I am to this party, because it's just something that had never been on my radar. So yeah, I've got lots of products here. Didn't use that much. I imagine you would get lots of use out of that. A significant amount of use. And even though we're using it for a massage here, I'm guessing that if you just want to look after yourself and have a little pamper night, instead of using a body lotion or a body oil, give yourself a little massage with your massage bar. It also means that you don't have to transport any liquidy products if you're going away on holiday or you're staying overnight somewhere, but you don't want to miss out on your massage oil. I am very impressed. So thank you for the recommendation for a video. I hope that you've enjoyed it. I'll continue to work through the requests. Please feel free to leave me more. But yeah, that is, show you it one more time. That is the LUSH Massage Bar. This is the Turmeric Latte one. I am very happy with that, and I will enjoy using that. Next, it will be on me, because I want to experience how nice and relaxing this is. But let me know if you've got one, if you've tried one or anything similar. Have a great day, and I'll see you again soon.